In order to make sure that you are on the right side of the moves in the market, you need to have a skill called situational awareness. Situational awareness is really a terminology which is used in the airline industry. In airline industry, the pilots are trained on situational awareness, and when the pilots lose situational awareness, that's when planes are lost. If you have been reading news, you would have seen in the news there was an article saying the Russian pilots are losing situational awareness, and as a result of that, they are losing plane. Same way, in trading, if you lose situational awareness, then you have drawdowns or you make losses. And if you have right situational awareness, then you go aggressive at certain time. So in order to do this, you need tools, and there are different ways in which you can do this, but my tool for doing this is a breadth-based tool which I developed many years ago, and it has helped me significantly in making sure that I am at the right side of the market and can capitalize. So if you see here now, this is a data which is published every day, like you'll see we publish this. But how do you use that? That is the key. And in order to use that, what you have to understand is what is the market monitor really capturing is the underlying buying or selling pressure. As you can see here, there are more number of 4% breakdown in the last 10 days, right? So as a result of that, you had continuous selling which was happening here. Before that, you had 4 days where there was buying happening, and then selling started. So if you go and look at this period on, say, something like SPY, you will see that this period is corresponding with this selling, right? If you see this particular period which you are looking at, since 9:15, the market has been selling off, and you will see that. So from this day onward, the market has been selling off, and before that, there was a small rally of 4 days, and that rally is this particular period. And then you had a knockout punch with 1,000 stocks down 4% plus, that is this day. So this is the day on which I became aggressive on the short side and even became more aggressive on the short side on this particular day, because underlying buying and selling pressure in the market tells you whether to become aggressive on the long side or short side. Now similarly, if you see, aggressive buying came into the market during 7:27 to around 15th of August, and during that period, if you are trading on the long side, lot of setup work. You see, like there was buying coming in here, and that period, if you look at it, corresponded with this particular period. 7:27 is where this good buying binge which came in for 2 weeks. This was the period, and as you can see the underlying buying during that period. If you see 7:27 was 633, 439, and continuously any day which is above 300 in terms of positive day is dark green. That tells you that there is an above average buying. Similarly, any day when there is more than 300 stocks down 4%, then it tells you that there is above average selling. So these tools allows you to figure out when to be aggressive and when to be on the sideline. Now similarly, when the market turns, you will see that there will be selling which comes in when this market turn. And as you can see, like there was continuous period of selling in November, there was also selling in December also, like in November also of last year. And you can see the data for many years here. If you keep going down and scroll down to the end of this particular spreadsheet, you will see that there is a data for 2021 also. And when the market turns, you will know when the market turns, because when the market turns, you will have similarly a big buying binge. So as and when the market decides to turn, this tool allows you to find where the market is going to be turning, because that is when what you are going to get is a buying which will look like this. You will see continuous buying coming in, and that will tell you that the market is about to turn. So similar tools or whatever tools you want, you can develop to act as a filter on your trading. Situational awareness is really a filter on your trading, and situational awareness determines whether I'm going to be long or short. Situational awareness determines whether how aggressively I'm going to be long or short. Like once I got a confirmation here, I was very aggressively shorting because there was a big breadth which was coming in to support this selling. So this kind of a tool, if you can create for your own trading, and it can be based on any other thing, doesn't have to be based on exactly on market breadth, but most commonly used tools for market timings are based on market breadth, then it will allow you to reduce your drawdown. It will allow you to increase your profit, and that skill is called as situational awareness. Initial years, most traders don't have situational awareness. If you survive and prosper in the trading business, then at some stage you realize the importance of situational awareness. Once you understand the importance of situational awareness is when trading comes under your control, because you know then when to be aggressive and when to be defensive. So develop situational awareness skill. This will be my number one advice to new traders. Develop situational awareness skill and trade according to your situational awareness.